Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my recipe for my green smoothie. Something I'd like to highlight is that this smoothie has kale in it, and the importance of incorporating kale into your diet is because it's high in vitamin A, C, and K. It's also high in iron, calcium. It's an amazing anti-inflammatory, incredible for cardiovascular health, and has many other benefits as well. So whether you want this smoothie to incorporate more greens into your diet, or it's also amazing to have just as a detox. So let's get started. Okay, so these are all of the ingredients you're gonna need. So I have a mint leaf here. As you can see, I have an entire plant just because I make this smoothie so often. I have curly kale, fennel, spinach, lemon juice, 1 banana, peanut butter, and then stevia. Stevia is an alternative to sugar. You can find it at any health food store. If for whatever reason you can't find it or you don't want to get it, that's all good. You can just use another half or a full banana. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my icing. You actually don't need to do this step if you decide to freeze your bananas, so that's all good. And then I'm just going to put a splash of water, about half a cup. Then I go in and add my spinach. I usually do 2 handfuls. I know it looks like a lot right now, but we're actually just gonna blend this first before we add anything else. I'm adding my kale, and I have about I'd say 3 heads of the kale, so I'm just gonna rip it in half and put it in and blend that. I didn't mention this in the ingredients, but I do usually add about half a cucumber, so I'll just put that in. And I'm also going to, at this stage, go ahead and add my mint leaves. So I usually put a handful, and I'm also going to add a splash of lemon juice. There we go. So that's about half or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, but you can add more. Next, I am going to add 1 banana. Like I said earlier, if you didn't want to use ice, it's really easy to just freeze your bananas and use that in replacement. Also going to add fennel and then blend. I'm going to be adding half a tablespoon of stevia. I'll just show it here. It may look different. I'm in New Zealand, so it may look different, but it is called the same thing. So just half a tablespoon. I am using 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So I'll now go ahead and blend all of that together. At this point, we've added all of our ingredients. What I usually do now is go in and have a little taste. And I just check here for how it tastes to me, or if I'm making this for someone else, I'll give them a little taste and see if they want it a bit sweeter. If they do, what I will do is add just a little bit more of the stevia. If not, then you're ready and done. Okay, so we have finished making the green smoothie. I want to quickly mention that the recipe I gave you guys makes 2 bottles worth. I like to double the recipe and make 4 so that I always have enough in my fridge ready to just quickly grab and enjoy with my meal. So I hope you guys give this a try, and I'll see you next time. Bye!